Hey everybody, this is Pat Wilkins with MarineMax on Wrightsville Beach. I got a new listing to show you guys. It is a 2015 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. Powered by a 90 horse 4-stroke Mercury outboard. Comes with the single axle trailer that you see here. It's got the fishing package with a live well on the transom. 2 folding bucket seats, adjustable captain's chair, really nice dash configuration. Moving up to the bow, got the removable cooler with the cushion top, rod holders, cushion backrest, bow area. Got a trolling motor, pre-wired mount right there. Plug and play. Anchor locker. Bow line chafe guard. Does have a bimini top included. This boat just received a full detail. See the shine in the gel coat, both in the hull and top side. Take a quick walk around, show you guys what this boat looks like. Got cup holders for both port and starboard seats. Put your fuel tanks in the back. Quick look inside the console. You got the dual batteries with the selector switch. Detail came out very nicely. Boat looks great. See the mirrored reflection. This boat does come with a bunch of other goodies. It's got canvas covers for the console and the captain's chair, along with anchor, life jackets, a bunch of other stuff. So if you're interested in learning more about this boat, feel free to give us a call, 239-249-4345. Again, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, showing you this 2015 Boston Whaler 17 Montauk. Thank you very much, guys. Talk to you soon.